Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering tools and the correct battery so the replacement goes quickly and safely. You need one CR2032 3V coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to open the fob. Work on a clean flat surface with good light. Put small parts in a tray so nothing gets lost. Keep the vehicle locked and the key away from water. Avoid touching the new CR2032 with bare fingers. Use a tissue or plastic tweezers to prevent oils from shortening battery life. With tools ready, locate the plastic seam along the edge of the Pathfinder key fob. Insert a small flathead screwdriver or a coin into the seam and twist gently until the two halves separate. Do not force or pry near the buttons. Take note of the old battery orientation before removing the CR2032. Lift from the negative edge so you do not bend contacts. Place the new CR2032 with the plus sign up, seating it flat in the battery well until it clicks into the metal contacts. After seating the new battery, align the rubber keypad and snap the two halves of the fob together until you hear a solid click along the seam. Ensure the case is flush and buttons depress smoothly. Test all functions: lock, unlock, trunk, and panic from about 3 to 5 feet to confirm range and correct operation. If any function fails, reopen and reseat the battery. Gently clean contacts with isopropyl on a cotton swab, then try again. If problems persist, consult Nissan programming procedures or a dealer for reprogramming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.